Thank you all so much for being here today. My name's Jen Cook, and I got to spend the day with your girls today. I get the privilege of doing festivals like this all over the country. And this was one of my favorites today. The girls were a joy to work with. They are just wonderful. They worked really, really hard and kept asking me when they could eat. But it was just so much fun. So I want to thank you, the parents and the music educators, for allowing them to come and do this today. And thank you so much for just, being a part of making these girls wonderful, because I know it's all their upbringing and their education that's just made them fabulous to work with today. Thank you. And so many people have already thanked our facility and our choruses. I want to thank you all again, and our teaching quartet Spot On. And also a special thanks to Liz Johnson. Where are you, Liz? There's Liz. Well, this festival is a duck floating on the water. She's the feet paddling it along, and she's organized it so well, so thank you for that, Liz. Again, thank you all for being with us, and I hope you enjoy our next song.